A single synapse, a chemical flash between neurons, communication on an exceedingly small scale. Yet a critical component of the body's nervous system, part of the vast neural complexity that makes us conscious beings. At Altasciences, communication and collaboration drive scientific innovation. Scientists connecting with scientists, always available, always looking ahead, exploring far beyond the known science, carefully unveiling the road to discovery. Investigating the secrets of infinitesimally tiny molecules that bring life and hope to patients across the globe. Taking virtually nothing and making it mean everything. Altasciences, unveiling the invisible.